2023 for Lifestyles UAE, nominee of highest PGV 2023, and a pioneer in establishing Abu Dhabi to embrace the mission of lifestyles. Let's welcome our speaker with virtual claps and hearts in the chat. Our speaker for today is an Executive Director 6QLPL, Gareth Galliamocho. The screen is yours, sir.
Yun. Good morning, everyone. Can you say yes if you can hear me? Anyway, so that's me. So not your host, but your speaker for this morning. I'm Executive Director, 6 Qualified Leg Power Leg, Gareth Yamocho, fresh from Abu Dhabi. Wow. Masyado po maaga dito, 6 a.m. and I'm not a morning person. So, anyhow, by the way, in the Philippines, I'm from Sultan Kudarat. Ayun, si Ma'am Executive Director Flora Min is from Pulumulok, no? Anyway, so good morning. Sana ba yung slides ko? Hindi ko nakikita. Ayan. Sige, let's do this. Sino dito ang mga Batman? Yan. Can you say that yes if you are Batman? So itong si Batman ay lagi nating sinisisi, di ba? We always say, bahala na si Batman. But in Lifestyles community, we are using this as strategy in terms of closing by doing Batman and Robin strategy. So, sino nga ba si Batman? Ayan. So, can you please show the next slide? So, who is Batman? So, Batman is typically Bruce Wayne, a billionaire, philanthropist, and owner of Wayne Enterprises. So, he is in his mid 20s when he started becoming a Batman. And alam nyo ba that he was at his 30s when he met Robin. Ayan. Sino dito dyan ang mga 20 years old? Above. Above. So, and of course, next slide. Batman wouldn't be Batman if without his enemies. Ayan. So, let's see kung sino ba tong mga kalaban ni Batman. So, who are the enemies of Batman? So, first, ito yung mga psychological villains. These enemies challenge Batman's sanity, ethics, and emotional strength. So, yan na. So, kung ikaw si Batman, sino kaya itong mga psychological enemies mo, no? So, like for Batman, example, si Joker, si si Joker kasi is an agent of chaos, unpredictable, and sadistic. So, he represents Batman is not. So, nakingay yung aso ko. And of course, Scarecrow. Si Scarecrow naman, he is a master of fear. He uses hallucinogenic fear toxins. Okay? And of course, si the Riddler. Yan, obsessed with probing his intellect, leaves riddles and puzzles to taunt Batman. So, yan pala yung mga unang kalaban ni Batman who are psychological villains. So, sino kaya dyan ang may mga psychological villains right now in doing our lifestyles business? So, sino pa? Sino pa kaya ang kalaban ni Batman? So, can you please next slide? These are the physical threats, no? Sila yung these foes challenge Batman's strength, endurance, and combat skills. So, let's say, sino tong mga to? Si Mr. Bane. Okay, si Mr. Bane is a super strong due to the drug Venom. So, famous for breaking Batman's back in Nightfall. So, grabe, no? And si Killer Croc yan. Then, of course, si Killer Croc naman, yung buhaya, of course, mutated man crocodile hybrid siya and brutality strong and dangerous in close combat. So, to your screen sa right side si Mr. Bane and sa left side natin si Deathstroke. Siya yung master assassin and tactician. And early Batman's equal in combat and intelligence. Wow. So itong mga to, no, itong physical threats na to. So sino kaya diyan sa mga downline nyo, no? Ang physical threat. So anyway, next slide. Sino pa ba yung mga kalaban ni Batman? So, next, ito yung mga criminal masterminds. So, strategists and gang leaders who test Batman's detective skills. Wow. So, let's see kung sino ba to. Si The Penguin. Ano? So, crime boss disguised as a gentleman. Yan. So, own the iceberg. Launch a front for crime. And of course, si Carmine Falcone. Yan, yung si Carmine Falcone. Yan yung may rose, no? So, represents traditional organized crime. And si Black Mask. Yan. So, brutal crime lord with a sadistic streak wears a black skull mask symbolizing fear. Wow. So grabe pala yung mga kalaban ni Batman, no? So sinong mga Batman dyan na merong mga criminal mastermind along the way, no? As we do this business. Okay, next, ang last na mga kalaban ni Batman. Ito yung mga morally gray characters. Wow, ito mga babae ito eh. Sometimes enemies, sometimes allies. So, isa dyan si Catwoman, Cat Bugler with a moral code, romantic tension with Batman sometimes helps him. So grabe no, minsan tutulungan ka, minsan hindi. So kaway-kaway no sa mga may mga struggle sa mga Batman diyan na namimit itong mga klaseng ganitong villain. And of course, si Talia Al Ghul, which is daughter of Ra's al Ghul, mother of Batman's son. Wow, grabe no? Torn between love for Bruce and loyalty to her father. So sino dyan yung mga hindi pinapayagan ng kanilang mga love life to do the business? So yun, kaway-kaway and say wag na lang. Anyway, and of course, we have the last enemy of Batman, which is yung mga ideological opponents niya. So they oppose Batman's ideas on a fundamental levels. Nandiyan si Ra's al Ghul, leader of the League of Assassins, okay, wants yung green, ay yung parang magician, wants to cleanse the world through destruction, calls Batman detective, sees him as a worthy successor. And si Hugo Strange, obsessed with uncovering Batman's identity, uses psychological manipulation and unethical science. So yan pala yung mga kalaban ni Batman. Wow, grabe, no? So, sino dito? Si Batman. Ayan. So, of course, lahat tayo ay Batman. Yes or yes? So, next slide. Kaya lang, laging nananalo si Batman, di ba? So, bakit kaya siya nananalo? So, let's see. Number one, he outthinks you. Batman is called the world's greatest detective for a reason. He analyzes patterns, tracks evidence, and understands his enemies better than they understand themselves. He has studied psychology, criminology, forensics, and tech to always stay 10 steps ahead. Wow. Kayo ba? Do you outthink your downlines or do you outthink your prospects? So, sabihin nyo dyan, yes. Yan. So, di ba, when we are becoming Batman, whenever we are in life's journey, we usually meet people na talagang yung sabi ng four temperament, no? Yung being sanguine, some are melancholic, choleric, and the other is phlegmatic. So these are the types of people that we always meet here in lifestyles. So kaya dapat we are always 10 steps ahead. Grabe no, 10 steps talaga. Pwede namang 2 steps ahead. But si Batman, 10 steps ahead. Ang tanong, Batman ka ba? Diba? So, Batman tayo. So, next, ano ba yung bakit nanalo si Batman? Number two, he does the work others won't. Wow. So, talaga palang mahirap pala maging Batman, no? Sino pa bang gustong maging Batman dyan? Pag sinabi ng downline, upline, pwede bang mag-Batman ka muna? Ay, wait, isip muna. Well, anyway, so ano ba to? All men have limits. They learn what they are and learn not to exceed them. Sabi ni Batman, I ignore mine. Trains harder than any human, mentally and physically. O yan, mentally and physically daw. So, paano ba yan? Kasamang physically. Nag-exercise na ba tayo? Ganon, no? Nag-share tayo ng Fiverr Life, ABC, no? But this is a challenge for Batman, no? But he Batman's did it. Masters over 127 martial arts. Wow. Tayo kaya, mga Batman sa lifestyles, did we master the hundreds of ways to close? Diba? Yung mga ganun. So, because, we are Batmans, no? Our downlines will come to us, would ask us, upline, or Sir Batman, ma'am, may prospect, ganito po ang problema. May sakit siya, pero gusto niyang bumili, wala siyang pera, pero gusto niyang gumamit. Ganun, ano? So, these are the things that we should master. So, and of course, si Batman may escapology, astig to escapology, yung escape, no, languages, and even disguise. Well, in here in our country, na nag-work in the UAE, we speak yung mga tao dito speaks Arabic. So, well, challenge yan dito sa mga Batman sa United Arab Emirates, no, to learn the language. And even disguise. So, itong disguise, paano ba itong disguise? Yung mga tipong, we need to be sympathetic sometimes and feel the customers or our prospects shoes. And ito, sleeps little. Wow. Sino ang nakatulog ng 4 hours dyan? Say yes and works endlessly. Kaya nga 'di ba, our GMDs are really sabi nila sleepless night, mga ganun. So ganun 'yun. And of course, discipline is the edge. So that is Batman. He does the work others won't. Kung di nila kaya, gawin mo 'yan. Number three, he does the work. He has a plan for everything. Ayan, sino na ba dito ang malapit nang ma-accomplish ang kanilang mga goals for June volume, no? Sorry, July volume. So, yes na yes ba? Makakasama na ba sa incentive? Kasi nakita ko yung mga incentive sa Pilipinas, ang dami, no? And soon, magkakaroon din ng incentive travels ang United Arab Emirates. Wow, travel to ano tayo? To Kazakhstan. Ayan. So number three, he has a plan for everything. I have a contingency plan for everything. Even for the Justice League, carries files and tools to stop even Superman. So carries files and tools. So may laptop na ba yung mga Batman dyan? Meron na ba tayong, yung ibang Batman wala pang Zoom no? Walang hawak na flyers or walang hawak na, ano ba yun? Maganda yung what do you call this one? The flip chart, in the Philippines. Ang ganda, no? Cute. And uses his utility belt, Batcave tech, and strategic planning to overcome any threat. He doesn't rely on chance. Yun. He doesn't rely on chance. Every move is calculated. So, yun. Tanong, si Batman ka ba? Ayan. Say yes kung si Batman ka nga. Kasi let's proceed to number 4. Bakit laging nananalo si Batman? Ayan. He strikes fear. Wow. Ayan. So I believe this morning is first day in the morning and we are already in the third week of July. So yung iba sa inyo, takot na, baka hindi matuloy yung promotion, baka hindi matuloy ang yung iba, worried kasi hindi matutuloy ang kanilang LLP. So can you say thumbs up if nag-LLP na? So LLP is the basic promotion, So sabi diyan, I became the bat to instill fear in those who prey on the fearful. Uses psychological warfare, darkness, mystery, and intimidation. Criminals fear him even when he's not there. His symbol becomes a myth. He could be anywhere. Wow, so ano pala ni Batman, no? Wala pala siyang sa fear. Who are fearless here? So in lifestyles, we are taught by our mentors not to be afraid of fear. Sabi nga, action defeats fear, sa ating pipitas. So kaya dapat memorize natin yung ating pipitas. And next, bakit nananalo si Batman? So, he never gives up. Wow. Imagine no yung ating mga nag-share kanina sa wins. So, they never give up. They never gave up, no? So even the first time mo umatin sa RLT, it gives you a motivation, it gives you an inspiration to proceed. Si Ma'am um, Fatima was just 3 days lang, no? Bago siya na-promote as executive director, yung pag-run niya. So sabi ni Batman, it's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me. He's been beaten, broken, buried, but he always gets back up. Huwag naman tayo sa nang ilibing, no, ng ating mga ng mga asawa nyo. Ikulong his moral code. No killing, no guns. Makes his mission harder, but keeps him human. Even gods and monsters respect him because he refuses to quit. Wow, yun sabi ni Sir Cesar from Dubai. Giving up is losing. Yun, yes sir, yes. So lahat tayo bawal mag-give up. Ayan. So kung nag-give up na yung jowa mo sa'yo, lifestyles will never give up. Ayan. So yun pala yung mga things or mga things na ginawa ni Batman, lagi siyang nananalo over his villains or over his enemies. So ngayon ang tanong, sino nga ba talaga si Batman? Ay meron number 6 pa tayo yan. Yun, summary, ito yung summary or bottom line, bakit nananalo si Batman. His preparation is more than luck. You know, yung mga tipong mga lifestylers na laging bahala na si Batman. Ayan. So dapat we always secure our schedule kung sino yung mga kakausapin per day. Sabi talaga ng brother ko, by the way, my brother was the first time who introduced lifestyles to me way back 2003. So okay lang ba magkwento konti? Then he was under the umbrella of organization of Sir June. Imagine, no? That's 2003. And I was like 19 years old that time when my brother told me, Kuya, sumali ka dito. By the way, Ilonggo, gali kami, no? So, pagkasabi niya, ganito, kaway-kaway sa mga Ilonggo. Sabi niya, Kuya, sali ka sa lifestyles kay may ara dito sang nagyaman kag nakabakal sang brand new car. Wow. So that's the time pala that was Sir June when he bought his first brand new car. So, preparation, sabi niya sa akin when I joined Lifestyles in 2022, Kuya, kailangan may kausap ka araw-araw. Ayan. So, in the Philippines, it's 10 a.m. Dapat may kausap na kayo. In the UAE, pagising pa lang ang mga tao rito. And I believe, pag-antay ng bus, pagsakay sa bus, let's talk. Let's talk to the people na kailangan ang ating opportunity and kailangan ang ating product. So, ano pa ang ginawa ni Batman? Ba't siya nanalo? Willpower is greater than power. Yan. Wow, grabe, no? Will. May will pala, no? There's a will, there's a way. So, sabi nga, the three basic keys to success is itong ano yun? Big dreams, willing to work, and teachable, no? Be teachable. But, these are just the key. Pero pag hindi mo ginamit ang susi, walang intentionality, then nothing, no? So dinagdagan niya na ata ni GMD Eva noon, yung parang start, no? Yung kailan ka mag-start, no? Then of course, ano pa? Purpose is greater than fear. Kaya nga rito sa lifestyles, tumatagal, kanina yung unang share, 10 years na sa business, yung iba ting mga GMD, they become GMD 10 years more. Yung iba dito sa atin, already 20 years or more or 3 decades na sa lifestyles. You know what? Kwento ko lang, we dito sa Dubai, you know what, Dubai is a national country. Kung nakabisit na kayo sa Dubai, pag hindi pa, you are welcome, no? You are welcome. And you know what, we met before one client na sinama kami ni Ma'am GMD Tata or GMD here in the UAE na merong nag-inquire online regarding the product and the opportunity. So he is from Netherlands, the Netherlands. Alam niyo the Netherlands. So di pumunta kami, sumama kami yung mga, alam mo yun, dapat sumasama kayo lagi sa Batman, no? So, kung ikaw maliit pa lang na Batman, sumama ka sa mas malaking Batman. So, sama kami. Then, you know what? Yung ano ba, yung point na he was very, sa purpose ng he never forgets. Imagine how many years na siyang member ng Lifestyles or been known Lifestyles? 31 years. He was a member way back 1994 in the Netherlands. And you know what? He saw someone with psoriasis o psoriasis, I don't know, na local na from Emirates, from this country. Sabi niya, may isa akong product na i-introduce sa'yo that is Intra. Amazing, amazing. If you, if we are just making our purpose as the pilot motivation why we're doing this business, wala talaga tayong takot. Kaya nga 'di ba sa last ng Pipitas, have no mercy, have no mercy. Okay, so Batman wins because he refuses to lose. Ay, kung pag-close mo pa lang ng membership, ano ka na, reklamo ka na, or meron, sometimes nakakatuwa kasi yung mga bagong mga members, they would always come to us, sabihin, ayoko na mag-lifestyles, yung invite kong tatlo, hindi mo lang sumama sa Hope. So, okay lang yun, no? So, that's why he doesn't, tulad si Lifestyle, I mean, sorry, si Batman, he doesn't wait for someone else to be the hero. Yan, sometimes in our lives or in our journey here in Lifestyles, we felt na talagang wala nang nangyayari. Parang lagi na lang nag-hope, tapal pa ako sa hope. Marami pang kain yung mga mga in-invite namin. Papakape ka, dami yung pinakape ng mga prospects. Wala man lang bumili. But guys, sabi nga ni GMD Nira Quiros when I first met her, alam nyo. So, sino dito nakamit na kay Ma'am GMD Nira? So, you know what? Sabi niya sa akin, I met her in the airport, sabi niya, Garrett, hindi ko alam ba't niya ako kilala, siguro dahil sa susundo si Garrett. Garrett, dito sa Lifestyles, alam kahit na feeling mo yung ginagawa natin, parang wala lang. 'Di ba? Parang wala lang. Pero dito, ganun talaga, dito ka makakakita ng maraming maraming pera. Yes or yes? So, sino na nakakita ng maraming maraming pera dito sa Lifestyle? Say yes. Ayan, gising na ba kayo? Okay. So, again, he doesn't wait for someone else to be the hero. He becomes the one. Wow. So, yeah, kaya dapat you will always be the GMD kung saan ka man nilagay ng Lord ngayon sa journey ng lifestyle. So, next, paano ba maging own hero? So, next slide, be your own hero. So, ano bang turning point ni Batman? So, Batman wasn't born a hero. He was born afraid. Do you remember na si Batman po namatay yung parents niya, no? So, pain is a teacher. Again, wow, pain is a teacher. It tried to break me, but I let it forge me instead. Wow, ang sarap nito, no? I guess I heard this sa isang sharing ni GMD Wami. All the struggles in your life, use it as a block para gamitin mo towards your success. So, ganun lang. So, all of us, I believe we have our own pains. We have our own whys. That's why we should always go back to our whys. Ngayon, alam niyo na bang gumamit ng ChatGPT? Yan. Sino yung mga single dyan? Yes, yes, yes. Sino yung mga single? Ayan. Sino yung mga walang Robin sa lifestyles journey? Talk to kung di ka kinakausap ng ano mo, ng mentor mo or they are far away from you, meron naman tayong Zoom. But you know what, sometimes it's funny, pero pwede mong kausapin si Siri. Sabihin mo, Siri, paano ba maging masaya? Di ba? May ganun, no? So let's try to do that. So for me, my turning point was I am an engineer by profession, but nakita ko yung mga buhay ng mga engineers as they grow old or mature na humahawak ng mga construction firms. I don't want to do that. So I was also a missionary before I went to become an OFW. So gusto ko maging missionary, no, na kumikita. Idol ko kasi si Saint Paul ba 'yon? He was working while becoming an apostle of Christ. So, yun ang gusto ko na kumikita ka tapos gumagawa ka ng misyon. So, ikaw, ano ba yung pain mo? That is your teacher, no? That is your teacher. And let it purge you to become a better you and to become a better global marketing director. Okay, ano pa? Next. So, are you listening? Are you learning? Hopefully, you're learning. So, fear. Fear is fuel. Wow, yun. You know what? There are millions ways to kill a chicken, di ba? Yes or yes? Kaya, don't worry. Fear is just mindset, you know? Yan yung kalaban natin. We are always at war. Sabi ko nga rito sa minsan pag nag-share ako rito sa mga downlines ko, we are at war. We are at war against poverty. Di ba? Pero every time na may giyera, if you will not declare war, you will not exert effort to fight. Yes or yes? You will not you will not fuel, 'di ba? You will not fuel your heart with that kind of uh, uh, yung motivation or willpower to share the product, no? Kung hindi ka gumaling, paano mo ma-share 'yan? Eh ikaw nga tinitipid mo yung isang boteng Intra. Yes or yes? Alam mo, the best thing about Intra is talagang potent siya, no? Talagang magaling siya. Kung meron kang, joke to ha, kung meron kang skin disease, yako, yan na magpapayaman sa'yo. Take a picture and try to use all of our products to treat it. Then, mawawala yan. And that would be your story. Yes or yes? Kasi minsan, yung iba kong naririnig na mga downline, buti ka pa sir, kasi buti pa si ma'am, magaling mag-English. Sometimes we are eating sa McDonald's sa isang mall and nagpo-prospecting kami and yung downline ko, he was rejected, tapos she was rejected nung ako na. So I wasn't able to kasi di ba si Batman tayo eh, magaling tayo escapology, di ba? Magaling tayo sa escapology, marunong tayo sa 127 martial arts. So, alam mo ba, believe talaga ako sa mga global marketing director. No? Sino ba mga global marketing directors dito? Grabe. Kung ako bagong prospect and the global marketing director will talk to me, hindi ka talaga titigilan hangga't hindi ka bumili ng product or mag-member. Yes or yes? Alam mo si Ma'am GMD Tata talagang ano 'yan. Gine-joke ko nga siya minsan eh pag nagpo-portrayal ng reason, nagbibigay ako ng kahit anong reason, may sagot pa rin siya. Kaya dapat we always listen to our global marketing directors. They are full of experience. Okay? So sabi diyan ni Batman, people say I'm fearless. They're wrong. I feel fear. I just don't let it stop me. I just don't let it stop me. I use it. Wow. That's why make your weakness are your strength. If your weakness is your fear to talk in front of the many people. Alam mo, I'm so proud. I don't know if she's here. Ma'am Miriam from Abu Dhabi went vacation sa Pilipinas. And alam mo, ilang araw talaga siya doon sa Makati office. Sana tayong mga OFW na mga lifestylers, when we come home, magbakasyon tayo sa Makati. And let's try to volunteer na mag-share, mag-talk. And you know what? Yun. So don't let fear eat you. Rather, kainin natin ang fear. Wow! So sino dyan ang paborito sa menu ang fear? Fear. So let's go. Fear steak. Sige. Next. So para maging maging hero by our own, no power, sabi ni Batman. 'Di ba si Batman wala siyang power? He doesn't have power. Sabi, no powers, no excuses. This always we hear from our core mentors, si Sir June Igot, si Sir GMD June. No excuses, just work. Sabi ni Batman, I don't have superpowers. I'm not from another planet. Hindi siya alien. Hindi siya tulad ni Superman. I fall. I bleed. But I get back up every single time. Yes or yes? Ang galing, no? Alam mo, I was tasked by Ma'am GMD Tata, I guess 2 days ago, about giving the Monday mindset. Sabi ko, I'm only Executive Director, 6 Qualified Leg, Power Leg. Pero dito meron kaming salita dito, kaliwali. Sabihin nyo nga, kaliwali. Yun. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng kaliwali, mga taga UAE? So, it's a bad word in a way, but it's an expression for us. Kahit ano yan, wala akong pakialam. I will be a global marketing director facing a lot of people here. Never mind pala. being your speaker this morning, because I believe God chose me today to speak here in front of you virtually, to share to you that no powers, no excuses, So get back up lang. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, yayaman tayo talaga tayo dito, and we will become global marketing directors. Ang simula ng masarap nakita, ang simula ng trabaho dito na totoo is pagiging global marketing director. So don't be comfortable being an executive director. Don't be so comfortable of becoming an NMD or IMD. Mag-global marketing directors tayo dito. So again, no excuses. Okay? So next, how to be a hero of our own. Discipline over doubt. Wow. The mask doesn't make me strong. Discipline does. You know, discipline does. Training in silence, enduring the dark, rising anyway. Wow. Ang galing, no? Kaya pala tawag sa atin Batman. That's why we should be proud. That's pag sinabi sa'yo ng downline mo, upline, pwede ka ba mag-Batman? Wow, di ba? So, this is how Batman is. Siguro I believe ito yung ginamit nila Batman Robin, but I don't know, but trying to learn about Batman's ideology, Batman's life, or Batman existence, grabe pala, no? So, discipline over doubt. I know that Sir Jun's message during his RLT, even though nandi kami nakarinig, but thank you for sharing the slides via pictures. Ang galing, no? Meron doon tayong battle of identity, Meron tayong battle of identity doon. Dami tayong mga battles doon, but discipline, this discipline can defeat it. So umpisa ka, if you are building another leg for your run for an NMD, umpisa ka. Huwag ka masyadong expectant na maintindihan agad ng mga bago mong downlines, but try to discipline yourself as well. We leaders, we Batman, discipline is necessary, kasi sometimes we hurt our downlines. We are already, kumaga, heroes, superheroes of our own, kasi marami na tayong napatunayan. We have a lot of downlines na, but again, ito yung ating way of making others becoming better, if we have this kind of attitude, discipline over doubt. I know that some of you doubt themselves na, kasi siguro 5 years nang nagra-run. Sino ba itong 5 years na nagra-run? Na, ng NMD or ng IMD, di ba? So, walang problema yan. Just do, wala ka pa sigurong ginagawa. Hindi mo pa siguro nagagawa yung dapat mong gawin para ma-achieve mo yung pin level na yan. So, I believe, like Batman, he overcome doubt by discipline. So, last, I believe, so it starts with you. You want to change the world? Okay, yes, say yes if you want to change the world. Start with yourself. Sabi nga nila, you cannot love others if you cannot love yourself. You cannot give others if you don't have something within yourself. Tama? Yes or yes? So, wake up earlier, train harder, stop waiting, be your own damn hero. Wow. You are a damn hero. Grabe. So, train harder. Wow. Sino dyan ang gustong maging ano? Kasi malapit na ang January. So, malapit na ang gala. Tama? Yes or yes? So, baka, you know what? Sa mga girls, this is a challenge, no? Kung gusto mong sumuot ng magandang gown sa gala, why not buy your gown na now and train harder para magkasya yung gown? Yes or yes? Di ba? Challenge. So, sa mga ano naman, sa mga yung mga wala pa ring downlines, don't stop waiting. Natawa si Ma'am Sheila. Ay, ano lang yun, joke lang yun. Pero dito kasi sa Lifestyles UAE, same naman, di ba, may RLT, there's always an OOTD. So yun din, nakakatuwa rin dito sa Lifestyles UAE, kasi we always have activities monthly, and we do the OOTD also. And nakikita mo yung mga downlines mo that they are very, very, excellent on that field, no? Talagang nakahanger na, kakatapos lang ng BBR, nakahanger na yung suot nila for next month. Kaway-kaway, sa ready na ang costume next month. Di ba? So that's it. Wait, it always starts with you. Sabi nga rin ni Ma'am GMD Tata, hashtag, nag-hashtag dito, ako ang simula. You know what? Sino dito ang naka-experience na nag-hope mag-isa? Say yes or say ako. Yung tipong wala, nag-schedule ka ng hope, nag-schedule ka ng NDSO, ayan si Ma'am Tata. Tapos walang dumating. Anong ginawa nyo, you know? You know what I did? I book a restaurant in a hotel, tapos di dumating yung when I started the Lifestyles Abu Dhabi in 2022, early 2023, wala ang dumating, ako lang. So, anong ginawa ko? I just do the talking by myself, tapos ini-screenshot ko yung slide, sinesend ko sa group. O, di ba? Parang kailangan nating marunong tayong escapology. Hindi ko masyado ma-pronounce eh. Escape palogy, parang gano'n. Si Batman magaling doon, Kaya tayo mga Batman tayo magaling tayo doon. We should always not ayun, si Ma'am Daisy sabi nga live na lang, no? Problema sa live, walang viewer eh. 'Di ba? Okay, sige. So next, malapit na matapos to. So define yourself. Always define yourself, It's not who I am underneath, sabi ni Batman, but what I do that defines me. Every day, you write your origin story. Make it legendary. Wow, ang ganda, no? So, kaya nga ako, I always wrote every morning yung 10 things to be thankful. Then after that, tama si Ma'am IMD, para-paraan. Tapos, I would always check on my goals. Tapos yung whys ko. 'Di ba? We should always sabi nga nila, write your 20 goals. Then after that, write 10. After that, yung tatlo na pinaka-immediate na pwede mong gawin. So within this month, siguro may goal ka, sana ma-achieve mo 'yan. Okay? Then dapat wag na tayong ma, ma yung hindi na tayo pwedeng feel down every time na meron tayong kaya nga sometimes sabi ko magto-talk ako ng Figo yung sa Pipitas kahit na sa mag-asawa, no? Kasi yung minsan yung yan ang minsan na disturbo, no? Sabi nga ng iba dito sa UAE, pat pa ako nag-asawa, no? Disturbo lang mga yan sa goal ko na mag-GMD. But no, apply Figo. Forget it and go on. Forget it and go on. Lifestyles is treating us as a person, hindi lang negosyante. At lifestyles idea is defining us to become a better person. To become a valuable person that giving others value. Yes or yes? 'Di ba ang ganda ng life ng network marketing na ito? That's why hindi ka pwedeng masabihan na alam ko na 'yan, scam 'yan. Hindi ka na pwedeng matinag doon kasi you have that definition of yourself na hindi I am the bearer of good news. I have cardio life that I could help your heart. Diba? I have this fiber life that could lose your weight and that could lessen or lower your diabetes. 'Di ba? Sino ang ayaw nun? 'Di ba? Ma-lower ang diabetes mo. I have this intra botanical juice that will going to boost your immune system. And I have the Nutria Plus, no, that will going to make you beautiful and defeat cancer. So ganun. So define yourself. Wag kang mag-feel down or feel little about yourself. So make it legendary and your story will be told generation after generation. Diba? So next, so I guess natututo tayo. What will you do when the world is dark? You don't need superpowers. No, hindi natin kailangan maging superpowers. You need purpose. Kasi yung iba, ayoko muna mag-sleepy. Hindi ko pa memorize yung 23 botanicals. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga ano nila, mga use nila. So you need purpose. Yung purpose natin dito is to help people live better every day. Whatever it means, kung ano man yung naintindihan mo lang, share mo lang, you know? And if you cannot close it, nandito lang yung mga Batman to help you. So be the hero your story needs and be the Batman that helps people live better every day. You know, and hopefully that you guys will instill to your heart that you are the Batman. Um, wala ka mang ano, superpower, but you have this great big purpose to help people live better every day. So yun lang po. Salamat sa time nyo and I hope that you will be a Batman that this world uh, needs. You know? So thank you so much and back to you, ma'am host. Good morning.
Yes, thank you so much. I will take over, Ma'am Richelle. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat for staying with us hanggang sa dulo ng ating mindset workshop. Gusto naming pasalamatan ng todo ang ating speaker for giving his time, effort, at syempre sa sobrang daming insights and wisdom na share niya sa atin. Super appreciate namin yung learnings na binigay niya. Sobrang nakaka-inspire at nakaka-motivate. At syempre, thank you din sa ating participants. Thank you for giving your time today. Sobrang na-appreciate namin ang presence nyo. Sana marami kayong natutunan at na-inspire kayo. And we really hope makita namin kayo ulit sa next nating mindset workshop. And before we end, let's have our closing prayer to be led by an English prayer by Executive Director Dane Gardo and an Arabic prayer by ED Fatima Alido.
Good morning. Yeah, in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit, amen. As we come to close of our times in the discussion today, we first want to offer gratitude. Thank you for bringing each of us here to learn and to grow together, even across physical